Alright, so in today's video we're going to be moving on with our geometry section. So we're going to be talking about reflections and symmetry. So just to start, we're going to start with some early vocab. There we go. A transformation is an operation that changes a figure into another figure. An image is the new figure created by a transformation. So you start with one shape or figure and then we change it into an image. And a reflection is a type of transformation that creates a mirror image of the original figure. And finally, a figure has a line of symmetry if half of its image is a mirror image of the other half. So that'd be like something like, an H. The letter H has a line of symmetry right down the middle because, it's the mirror image on both halves. So we'll move on to reflecting figures across the x-axis. So right now, have you pause the video and write down the coordinates for the original image, and each one of those, the grids, is just one. So go ahead and do that now. So hopefully you got the same coordinates as I have right there. And now that you have that, go ahead and write down, pause the video again, and write down the coordinates for the image, which is the one we reflected across the horizontal x-axis. So go ahead and pause the video now. Now, hopefully you have seen the pattern that arises when we reflect a figure across the x-axis. Look at the original coordinates you got for the original figure, and then what you change to reflect it across the x-axis in mind. So, moving on, we're going to do the same thing again, but this time we're going to be reflecting it across the vertical y-axis. So once again, I'll have you pause the video and go ahead and copy the picture and fill in the coordinates for the original. Now that you've done that, and hopefully yours match mine, we're going to go ahead once again and find the coordinates for the reflected image. Once again, please pause the video and do that now. Alright, so now that we have that, once again, I hope you can see the pattern that is rising when we reflect things across the y-axis. And remember that, because now we're going to take some more notes. So now when we reflect across the x-axis, we can look back at what happened to the x and y coordinates. Well, the x coordinates stayed the same, but the y coordinates, went from positive to negative. So we would put x, and the pattern that was reflected across the y-axis was this time our y stayed the same, but x. So hopefully you can see that, and that concludes this video. Thank you.